Hi dear students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to see the pros hobby turns a successful career. Hobby. What is hobby? Hobby is the activity that we do in our spare time. In our free time, we are doing some activities to pass our time. At the same time, we do those things to learn something. That is called hobby. Hobbies are uncommon to people. That is not the same thing to every people. Everyone has a different hobby. For example, I have some hobbies, you have some hobbies, and your friends have some hobbies. In this lesson, we are going to see the three stories how hobby turns their career. Let's go to see the story. The first story is about a boy called Mani. He is not good in read and write. His grandmother noticed about his difficulties and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Then he started reading on his own. Then he enjoyed reading and he started writing his own stories. He wrote an essay on hobbies. In his essay, he said, hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. Hobbies are always uncommon to people. Some people like gardening, some people like photography, some people like reading books, and also some people like games, some people like swimming and stamp collection or playing videos and many more. Like that, Mani likes writing. Writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. Mani felt that writing is tough, but he didn't think so. He felt writing is like painting or voice. When he get free time, he picked a pen and notebook and started painting his ideas in words. He wrote stories, poems, and sometimes about his feelings. His mind relaxes when he pours his thoughts as words. So, writing energizes him. When he writes things, his imagination is at its best. He imagined a world with magic and magicians, where he can fly and birds can talk. Writing helps him completely immerse into the world. Sometimes he sat with small children and entertained them with the stories of him. The happiness of their faces makes him to write more and better. Although writing is just a hobby for him, yet it was very beneficial. It opened his mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It made him more passionate about his life. It made him learn new things and enjoy every moment of his life. His hobby helped him in school too. When he started writing things, he was unable to describe them accurately. With time, his experiences helped him think of new ideas as this made him a good writer. Now he looked out for things which he was not able to see before. Hence, he can describe things better in his stories. He felt no problem with writing English essays or stories as it is his hobby. To become a writer, he spent time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. It was important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Who knows? One day he could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. In the story, the hobby of writing stories changed the career of the schoolboy Mani. The next story is about Ajay Kumar Garg. Ajay Kumar Garg is a very talented young artist who is living in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay Kumar had been treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. He lost his hearing ability. His parents tried in several hospitals to cure his impairment, but it doesn't cure him. One day, his father bought him a paint set to play. Ajay Kumar started to paint happily. He painted on the walls, floors, and many places of his house. He looked happy while using the paint set that was gifted to him by his father. Then Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was a 5 years old boy, a court artist of Dholpur, Sri Shwa Lal, saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. He then took Ajay and started training him. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but that didn't make him happy. So he went back to painting. He became an assistant of Asa Devi. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. He mastered the technique of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the paintings. Soon he had become an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He uses a magnifying glass and a single hand brush for miniature paintings that depict Indian culture. Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Ajay exhibited his works and sold 144 of the 150 paintings displayed. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States and United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from painting, Ajay is also a very actively involved welfare of people with hearing impairment in India and has been executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He also gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur, as well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur. One of the Ajay's current goal is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature paintings. Ajay has a hobby of painting. That hobby changed his career into the next level. The third story is about a girl called Ilavalagi. There is a famous quote: "The hard working and the passionate people always chase their dream and live it." Ilavalagi is example for this quote. The third story is about a girl called Ilavalagi. She is the example of the favorite quote. The hardworking and the passionate people always chase their dream and live in it. Ilavalagi's father, A. Irudayaraj, was a district level champion in Carom. His dream shattered since his family did not encourage and support him. He was determined to achieve his dream through her daughter. He used to put her daughter on the carom board while she listened to the sounds of the strikers and coins. When Ilavalagi was 2 years old, he could carry her with him to the tournaments. He played with his friends at local clubs. Her father began coaching her when she was around 5 years old. One day, her father called for a match and she won that match, which gave her confidence. That confidence led her to win her victories, included the Asia Cup and Shark Cup and the World Championship. Irudayaraj is a fish cart driver who transports materials like pipes and making a living for his family. He has a wife and 3 daughters. Ilavalagi is one among them. They lived in a small one-room apartment in Vyasarbadi, Chennai. That is not enough to accommodate the family. The trophies she has won over the years are too many, and her home is just not big enough to keep them. The trophies left over after filling the space under the bed were given to the neighbors and relatives. Financing the trips has always been a big trouble, though she has been playing for the state for almost 14 years. Still, she says, victories follow me. Ilavalagi is a member of the Tiruvallur District Carom Association and also represented India at the Carom World Championships and Asian Championships. Ilavalagi has achieved a lot. Some of her achievements are participated in 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France, Women's Singles title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championship in Visakhapatnam 2009, Women's Singles title in the 37th National Carom Championship in Chennai 2008. Participated in 13th Shark Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Lakshmi Kumari in 2009. The 2-time Shark Carom Championship Women's Singles title in 2009. World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was the 2010 championship in the US, where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver and 12 are bronze. Medals won in national competitions. She has won 111 gold, 9 and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. Her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion. Dear students, in these 3 stories, hobbies changed Mani, Ajay Kumar and Ilavalagi's career into the next level. So we have to understand that hobbies are not only for time pass. Hobby is the career changing element in our life. Okay students, I hope everyone has understood the story. Okay, we will see in the next class with new topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe and be clean.